join my Key to Gold channel. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update.
Who has been appointed as the chairman of Indian Federation of United Nations Association? Answer C. Shambhunath Srivastav. Who among the following will be the new Vice Chief of Indian Air Force? Answer B. Vivek Ram Chaudhary. What is the name of India's first indigenous drone defense dome recently developed by Hyderabad-based Grene Robotics? Answer D. Indrajal. Which of the following bank has launched Salute Doctors Banking Solutions for Doctors? Answer B. ICICI Bank. President Ramnath Kovind laid the foundation stone for Ambedkar Memorial and Cultural Center in? Answer D. Lucknow. Whose tenure has been extended as the CEO of National Institution for Transforming India till June 2022? Answer D. Amitabh Kant. An initiative called Hosla, launched by the Jammu and Kashmir government for women entrepreneurs of Union Territory, is in partnership with which company? Answer D. Flipkart. Which state or union territory government has launched students credit card to provide soft loan up to rupees 10 lakh for higher studies? Answer A. West Bengal. How much amount has been allocated to Jharkhand under the Jal Jeevan Mission by the central government? Answer D. Rupees 2479 crore. Where did the Indian Railways open its first movable freshwater tunnel aquarium? Answer B. Kranti Veera Sangolli Rayanna Railway Station. In June 2021, the government launched a special drive to enroll more farmers under which scheme? Answer D. PMFBY, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Beem Yojana. Which state or union territory government launched Sukon, a mental health helpline initiative? Answer D. Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following bank has become the second most valued listed public sector bank? Answer D. Indian Overseas Bank. Who among the following has been appointed as the new Lokayukta in Tripura? Answer D. Kalyan Narayan Bhattacharjee. Which of the following has been awarded the world's most innovative investment promotion agency 2021? Answer B. Invest India. Who became the highest run getter in women's cricket across formats? Answer A. Mithali Raj. Which of the following ministry recently launched Nipun Bharat program? Answer C. Ministry of Education. Name the India's flag bearers at the closing ceremony of the Tokyo Olympics. Answer B. Bajrang Punia. Who has inaugurated and addressed the CoWIN Global Conclave virtually? Answer C. Narendra Modi. Flipkart partners with Dash to digitize cash on delivery payment. Answer B. PhonePe. The Project Bold Bamboo Oasis on lands in drought was recently launched from which state in India? Answer D. Rajasthan. Who has been appointed as the Governor of Goa? Answer A. P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Bandaru Dattatreya has been appointed as the Governor of which state? Answer B. Haryana. Who has been appointed as the Governor of Karnataka? Answer D. Tawarchand Gehlota. Who among the following has launched the online course mobile app Matsya Setu for Indian aqua farmers? Answer B. Giriraj Singh. Satyadev Narayan Arya has been appointed as the Governor of which state? Answer A. Tripura. Name the newly appointed Cabinet Minister for Health and Family Welfare. Answer D. Mansukh Mandavia. Who among the following takes oath for the new Minister for Education? Answer A. Dharmendra Pradhan. Name the new Cabinet Minister for Information and Broadcasting. Answer D. Anurag Singh Thakur. Which of the following Metro Rail Corporation has launched India's first FASTag or Unified Payments Interface based parking facility? Answer C. DMRC. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation.
If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.